Congratulations! You have made it through all the testing and you are ready for your next steps. Your teacher will give you a form that looks like this. I want to briefly tell you what these numbers and these other types of information mean. You should see your name at the top of the page. If your teacher has your ID number in our computer system, that will be written at the top. Do not worry if that line is blank. You'll see the date of your test or tests. I left two lines in case you have more than one test, but most folks will just have the first line. So this tells me that my student tested on 7/1 of 26, scored a 4 in reading. Remember, that's passing. 4 in math, that's passing. 2 in language is not passing. We need a 4. Official practice test 15 in science is passing. Official practice test 6 in social studies is not passing. So this student needs to work on language and social studies. And out here, the question is, has the student graduated? Not yet. But this student has 3 of the 5 subtests. Well, he's passed 2 of them. The science, he's ready to take the official test in science. So this student needs to work on language and social studies. Your orientation teacher's name. This is the person who gave you the test, in case you need to know that. Your teacher's name for language and social studies. I'm just making up names here. The teacher's email, the days the class meets. This would be Monday and Wednesday, 8:30 to 11:30. I should have put AM out there, but we do not do classes this late in the evening. So this is morning class. The room number, you will get your HiSET account information. Do not change your password. We need to be able to sign in to set you up for, in this case, that science test that the student is ready for. Do not lose the sheet. Please hang on to this until you are finished with the program. If you have questions, call. And I deliberately wrote this way because I want to call your attention to something. When your teacher gives you this in orientation, if there's anything you cannot read, for example, this is supposed to be 865 and then fives across the page. But for me, I can't tell if this is a 5 or a 6. So look at this information and ask your orientation teacher if there's anything you can't read or you don't understand. It is very important that you know this information and that you keep this sheet. If you need to take parts of the HiSET test, like this student needs to take the science, your orientation teacher will help you know what to do there. He or she will give you the information of the person that you need to contact, or the person will contact you. You can also show this to your teacher when you get to class. He or she will know what this means. So if I'm this student and I go to Kate Miller's class on Monday, I'm just going to show this to her to let her know I am supposed to be here. Here are my numbers. And she should have that information as well. Your orientation teacher will pass that along. There is one more step in this process. I want to know your opinion about the process. So there's a short survey that you can scan with your phone. You can also do it on your computer. You do not have to put your name in. I just want to know how you feel about our process and how I can make it better. Best of luck to you, and remember 2 things. We're glad you're here, and we're here to help. So if you have any questions, find an adult ed staff member. We're all here to help you succeed. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.